So today we are cooking okra soup. It's going to be delicious, simple, tasty, delicious okra soup. This is our okra, and I'm going to start cutting it while the meat is cooking. All right, so if you want to cut it faster, you can do it like this. So I don't like chewing okra, okay, so I like my okra in a small bits. So I'll cut through it like this. I'll cut it as small as I can. I don't like it too slimy either. I don't like chewing it. So I'll remove these ones. This is the stalk, not the head. The tripe. We're making okra soup. Cover the pot. Let our meat cook. I'm going to take out our meat. It's properly cooked. Add our oil. Our ogbono, so we're adding ogbono. We're cooking ogbono and okra soup together. I've already seasoned the meat, so we're going to be seasoning and tasting. Just need for it. Let's add our pepper blend, crayfish, Bouillion, and pepper. I'm going to cover this pot and let the ogbono cook properly before we add the other ingredients. Let's do that. This is the fish I grilled yesterday. It tastes so good. Okay, I used the oven. I'm gonna remove the bones. Point, I'm gonna add our fish. Mix it. For a while. Let's add back our meat. Okra. is properly seasoned. We're going to allow it to cook for a while. Then we add our spinach. And this soup will be ready. Cover it back and let it simmer. Vegetable and spinach. You can use Ogbono for this, or you pair the spinach and the collard green together. This soup is ready. Please share this video, comments, alright? Just allow it. I'm going to turn down the stove and let the heat cook it. Today we prepared okra ogbono soup with smoked fish, and it looks very inviting and delicious. We've come to the end of this video. Please subscribe, share, comment. I will see you once again in my next video. Bye. May God bless you.